Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today, I will teach you how to change your Google account password. The process is very simple and practical. Before we start the video, leave a like on the video. This helps me a lot and motivates me to bring more content like this to you. Let's get started. To change the password for a Google account, the first thing we will do is open the settings of our cell phone, and we will look for the Google option. Here you can manage your entire Google account and configure different things. We can see that I am logged into a Google account, but if you see an account that you don't want, change the password, click on that account and select the desired account you want to change the password. After selecting the account you want to change the password, drag that tab with configuration options until you find the configuration that says security and click on this option. Drag the screen down a little and click on password. Clicking on this option, you will see two fields to fill in. In the first field, you will fill in your new password, and in the field below you will. Typing exactly the same in the top field will put your new password in these two fields. After you enter your new password, click on the blue button to change password, and everything will be ready. Your password has already been changed successfully. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for your support. If you watched this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Until next time.